Hello and welcome. Launch time. 30 mind-bending questions await. What is the process called when plants make their own food using sunlight? Breathing. Photosynthesis. Drinking. The correct answer is photosynthesis. A quick fact for you, photosynthesis is how plants make food using sun, water and air. Which part of a plant usually grows under the ground? Leaves. Flowers. Roots. The correct answer is roots. Here's an interesting fact, roots help the plant stay in the ground and take in water and food. True or false, a sunflower is actually made of many small flowers? True. False. Not enough info. The correct answer is true. A quick fact for you, a sunflower head is made of thousands of tiny individual flowers. What makes leaves green? Red stuff. Chlorophyll. Yellow dust. The correct answer is chlorophyll. Let's learn something new. Chlorophyll is the green stuff that helps plants catch sunlight. Which of these plants grows super fast? Oak tree. Bamboo. Rose bush. The correct answer is bamboo. Fun fact, bamboo can grow very quickly. Some types grow nearly a meter a day. What is the main job of a flower on a plant? To smell nice. To make fruit and seeds. To hide from animals. The correct answer is to make fruit and seeds. A quick fact for you, flowers help plants make new plants through seeds and fruit. Which spice comes from a purple flower? Cinnamon. Saffron. Black pepper. The correct answer is saffron. Here's something cool, saffron is a very expensive spice that comes from a type of crocus flower. True or false, all plants need soil to grow? True. False. Only some. The correct answer is false. Did you know? Some plants like air plants can grow without soil by getting water from the air. What is the name of the plant that looks like a dragon's mouth when you squeeze it? Tiger lily. Snapdragon. Buttercup. The correct answer is snapdragon. A quick fact for you, the snapdragon flower opens and closes like a dragon's mouth when you squeeze it. Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable in a science way? Vegetable. Fruit. Both. The correct answer is fruit. Here's a nugget of wisdom. In science, a tomato is a fruit because it has seeds inside it. What is the scientific name for plants that make flowers? Gymnosperms, angiosperms, mosses. The correct answer is angiosperms. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Angiosperms are a big group of plants that make flowers and have seeds hidden in fruit. Which part of a plant carries water from the roots to the leaves? Petals, stem, pollen. The correct answer is stem. Did you know? The stem acts like a straw carrying water and food up to the rest of the plant. What were the first plants on land thought to be related to? Mushrooms, green algae, animals. The correct answer is green algae. Knowledge boost. Scientists think land plants grew from tiny green algae that lived in water. Which of these is not how plants usually get their food? Eating insects, working with tiny bugs, making their own food. The correct answer is eating insects. Knowledge boost. Most plants make their own food using sunlight, not by eating insects. What is it called when a seed starts to grow into a new plant? Sleeping, germination, blooming. The correct answer is germination. Here's something cool. Germination is when a seed wakes up and starts to sprout into a little plant. What is the common name for the smallest flowering plant in the world? Water lily, watermeal, moss. The correct answer is watermeal. Did you know? Watermeal is the tiniest flowering plant in the world, smaller than a grain of rice. Which plant gives us vanilla flavor? Coffee plant, orchid, cocoa tree. The correct answer is orchid. Impress your friends with this fact. Vanilla comes from a special type of orchid flower. What are the tiny holes on the bottom of a leaf called that help it breathe? Eyes, stomata, noses. The correct answer is stomata. A quick fact for you, stomata are tiny openings on leaves that help the plant take in air and let out water. Which type of tree is known for being the tallest in the world? Oak, coast redwood, pine. The correct answer is coast redwood. Here's an interesting fact. The coast redwood is the tallest tree in the world, growing super tall. What is a plant called if it lives for only 1 year? Perennial, biennial, annual. The correct answer is annual. Fun fact, an annual plant grows flowers and makes seeds all in 1 year, then it dies. Which pretty garden plant can be dangerous if you eat it? Rose, oleander, daisy. The correct answer is oleander. Surprising trivia, all parts of the oleander plant are poisonous, so do not eat it. What is the main job of the xylem in a plant? To store food. To carry water. To make flowers. The correct answer is to carry water. Knowledge boost, xylem are little tubes inside the plant that carry water from the roots to the leaves. Which type of plant traps and eats insects? Fruit tree. Carnivorous plant. Cactus. The correct answer is carnivorous plant. Knowledge boost, carnivorous plants like Venus flytraps eat insects to get extra food. What are the small green things in ponds that can make their own food using sunlight? Mushrooms. Algae. Ferns. The correct answer is algae. Impress your friends with this fact: algae are tiny green living things often found in water that use sunlight to make food. What do some plants release to warn other plants if they are being eaten by bugs? More flowers. Sweet smells. Warning chemicals. The correct answer is warning chemicals. Here's an interesting fact: some plants send out special smells to tell other plants that they are being attacked by bugs. Which tree bark was originally used to make aspirin for pain relief? Poplar. Willow tree. Birch. The correct answer is willow tree. A quick fact for you: aspirin came from a special ingredient found in willow tree bark. What is the wide flat part of a leaf called where most food is made? Stem. Blade. Vein. The correct answer is blade. Here's something cool: the blade is the flat part of the leaf where the plant makes most of its food. Which type of plant stores water in its thick leaves or stems to live in dry places? Fern. Moss. Succulent. The correct answer is succulent. A quick fact for you: succulents have chunky leaves or stems that store water, helping them live in dry areas. What are the little dots on the back of fern leaves that help them make new ferns? Seeds. Flowers. Sorry. The correct answer is sorry. Let's learn something new. Sorry are small groups of spores found on the back of fern leaves which help them reproduce. Which famous red and green plant is often seen at Christmas? Holly. Poinsettia. Mistletoe. The correct answer is poinsettia. Knowledge boost: the poinsettia plant, originally from Mexico, has bright red leaves and is popular at Christmas. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.